Hello everyone, welcome to Glitch and in this video, I'm going to teach you how we're going to be able to install the Grotesque Steve add-on mod 1.21 for Minecraft PE. In this case, we're going to have to access this page, and once we access it, we're going to choose this download, which is a simple download where we'll simply have to wait 60 seconds. Or if you want to wait much less, you can simply log in with your Google account, Steam, Discord, or Facebook. But I honestly don't recommend it because many times data from those accounts has been stolen. Anyway, once we've installed it, something like this will be downloaded. We're going to go to Downloads, and it will be downloaded like this. Right. In this case, as you can see, I'm already inside my Minecraft, and we're going to have to go to the resource packs. As you can see, I already have it activated. The same goes for behavior packs, and in experimental, we're always going to have everything related to this enabled, just in case. Now we're going to switch to creative mode, simply to be able to access things in a much easier way. And as you can see, the Grotesque Steve interface already appears, right, or Steve. So we're just going to wait for the game to load, and that way we can play for a while with this mod, which is basically a violence mod. I mean, it's a mod that attacks you, basically. So, as you can see, here we have the book that's going to teach us what we have to do and what we shouldn't do with Grotesque Steve. And well, that's it says. We're going to press E, and in this case, we're going to search. Let's see if it appears like this. Here it is. Yes, here it is. Done. And as you can see, this is the character. This is Steve. Let's switch to survival mode, change to survival mode, and let's see what happens. Oh, no, because I don't have cheats enabled. So let's do this here. We make ourselves operators. There we go. Now, yes, let's set the game mode to survival. And as you can see, here's this creature. And I'm going to leave it like this because, well, it does very bad things to us. And, well, that would be everything. As you can see, it's fully enabled in our Minecraft, and unlike other mods, this one will appear naturally, and it will follow us, spy on us, and stuff like that. We're simply going to have to survive this mod. And well, that would be everything. Here are my items, and the guy is over there. What we have to do is basically run away from him, although it's pretty complicated, because as you can see, he runs very fast. Let's see this here. Let's see if we can get away from him, although I doubt it. And yes, he's still following us. And what he's going to do is follow us until he can find us and kill us. And well, that would be everything. Haha. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Glitch. Leave a like if it helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.